Hi y'all, Cindy A. Lewis here, and I want to share with you a refresh that I did on this wreath. It was full of pine cones and antlers and really heavy, and a friend asked me to give it a new autumn look. So I had to remove all the pine cones and as much of the hot glue and wire as I could. So then, as you can see, we're getting down to the frame here. I will give you one tip if you're dealing with pine cones. Gloves will help. I had some gloves in the garage. I wish I had gotten them earlier to keep my hands from getting scraped up from the pine cones. So now I'm down to the frame here, and I'm just basically starting over. So I have a lot of different pieces that I put together, some sprays. I used a lot of pipe cleaners to adhere the sprays and foliage to the wreath frame, and ribbon and some lights that were requested, and you can see here how it turned out so beautiful. I had acorns, I had flowers, fall flowers, sunflowers, a lot of leaves that I added. It just turned out really pretty, and I just wanted to share with you. I did put some pine cones back on. I did not add the antlers back. They were just way too heavy for this frame. So I hope this inspires you to not discard something that you have and to go ahead and remake it. So thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. Oh, and I put together this little basket. Have a good day.